Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about what's expected to come in the iOS 16 beta 2. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. There are so many things that can arrive in this beta version. And I actually expected in my previous video. If you haven't watched that already, you can watch that. Link is below the like button. In this video, we are going to talk about what is all expected in iOS 16 beta 2. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so there are a lot of things that should be resolved in the beta 2. First of all, let's talk about that. Number one, as you can see on the screen, there is this WhatsApp issue which is so irritating, and this is not just on my iPhone 12. This is an issue on my iPhone 11 and even on my iPhone 10R. So basically on every device that I use, it has this issue, and trust me, this is one of the most frustrating issues because this occurs twice a day for me, if not thrice, and I have to restart my device in order to get my WhatsApp fixed. And WhatsApp is one of my main messaging apps, so that is really frustrating. Then there is battery bug. Battery bug is the one that I also talked about in my previous video, but I'm going to talk about it now because there is an update on it. So the thing is that whenever I connect my 5-watt charger, apparently it is just with a 5-watt. I got to know this is what I got to in a conclusion. This is really weird, so just listen carefully. Alright, so what happens is that what I have noticed is whenever I connect my device with a 5-watt charger for 15 minutes, sometimes it just do not charge. It just shows the battery percentage on the same level. Like if it is at 17, it will just show at 17 for 15-20 minutes. When I will just restart my device, it will still do the same, regardless of if I have connected 20-watt or 5-watt. But when I turn off my phone and then connect it to the charger, regardless if it is 5-watt or 20-watt, it started charging. I don't know, this is so weird. I know this should be fixed in the beta too. Then new things that should be added is, one of the main thing that I want Apple to add is the ability to remove watch faces, lock screen faces. I'm so confused because the lock screen UI, when you tap and hold, it just looks exactly same as the watch face UI of watchOS. And on watchOS you can just swipe up and it just deletes the watch face, but you can just not delete the lock screen from the UI itself. So there is no option. You just add it and you just have to scroll so much in order to find the right one which you need. And there is also no search option, and I would really appreciate if there could come a search option, but I really doubt that. Then the portrait watch face is also really buggy. It just gets bugged really frequently. The time thingy just gets bugged again and again, and the portrait thingy just does not work. The lock screen portrait bug just exists and it is just so bad. I want this bug to get resolved because these are what I am asking is very small bugs, and I'm pretty sure this can be resolved in the beta too. Now let's talk about the release date of beta 2 of iOS 16. Well, I expected it to release this week, but apparently it is not released this week. So I will expect Apple to release the beta 2 of iOS 16 later next week. We are already on the weekend. I'm so excited for iOS 16 beta 2. And I know you guys are really excited too. I can't wait for Apple to drop it and see what all new things they are going to give us. This is just a really sneak peek and a small preview of iOS 16 beta 2 that we just got. There is so much more that is going to come. Click that subscribe button. We are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Tech Hyped. I will catch you guys in the very next episode, and peace out.